Understanding Human Rights, a Canadian perspective. In the True North, strong and free, we pride ourselves on our commitment to uphold human rights. But what are human rights, and why do they matter? Let's begin our 3-minute journey to foster a deeper understanding. Our first stop is the United Nations. After the horrors of World War II, they created the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, a guideline for all nations to ensure basic freedoms for their citizens. Canada, a proud signatory, embraces these principles wholeheartedly. Human rights in Canada include the freedom of thought, belief, and expression. You can voice your opinions, practice any religion, or choose not to practice any freely and without fear. These are rights that we often take for granted. We also have the right to live free from discrimination. No matter our race, gender, religion, age, or disability, we're all equal under the law. This is the cornerstone of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. We have the right to life, liberty, and security. This means we're free to live without the fear of harm, unjust imprisonment, or violation of our personal security. It's about living without fear, with dignity and respect. Equally important is our right to a fair trial. If accused of a crime, every Canadian has the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty. This is a vital part of our justice system. Then comes the right to work, and to just and favorable conditions of work. Every Canadian has the right to earn a living without exploitation. This includes fair wages, decent working hours and conditions, and protection against unemployment. We have the right to education. Every child in Canada has the right to free primary education. We believe that with education comes understanding, empathy, and progress. Healthcare, a fundamental human right, is also guaranteed in Canada. Our universal healthcare system aims to ensure that every Canadian has access to the medical services they need. The right to participate in your community's cultural life, the arts, and scientific advancement is another important facet of human rights in Canada. We believe in the power of shared experiences and collective progress. Speaking of participation, every Canadian has the right to take part in the government of his country, a principle we uphold through democratic elections. Your vote is your voice. Make it count. Along with these rights comes responsibilities. We must respect the rights of others, obey laws, and contribute to our communities. Together, these responsibilities help us build a safe, secure, and strong nation. Being aware of our human rights is the first step to protecting them. If you believe your rights have been violated, it's crucial to speak up and seek justice. Remember, your voice matters. In this beautiful land of ours, it's important to remember that human rights aren't just laws or principles. They are the foundation of our society, a reflection of our values, and the essence of our Canadian identity. So let's celebrate our human rights and stand up for those in need. Let's ensure that our True North remains strong and free, not just for us, but for the generations to come. This is the end of our 3-minute journey. But remember, understanding human rights is just the beginning. Let's continue to strive for a Canada that's even safer, even stronger, and even more secure. Stay hard, Canada.